visitors, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our 2021-2022 graduation and moving up ceremony.
Let us remain standing and put ourselves in the spirit of patriotism as we sing our national anthem and to be followed by our apology to be led by us implementers and learners.